This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready. Host IP, an account, and remote desktop enabled. Now start creating the shortcut. Right-click on your desktop, choose New, then Shortcut to open the wizard. For the location, type msdsc/v, hostname or IP, replace with the actual address to point directly at the machine. Once entered, click Next and name the shortcut clearly, include user or purpose for quick identification. Now customize connection behavior so the shortcut does exactly what you need. Open Properties and edit the target to add switches like /F for full screen or /multimin for multiple monitors. This is why you modify the shortcut rather than launching manually each time. For persistent options, run remote desktop connection, configure display, local resources, experience, then save as an RDP file and point your shortcut to that file. This lets you store credentials and fine-grained settings securely. Finish by testing the shortcut under real conditions. Double-click it as you would in normal use and confirm you reach the login screen. If it fails, make sure the host allows inbound RDP, port 3389 is forwarded on routers, and the firewall rule is active. These are the usual culprits. To diagnose, ping the host, telnet to port 3389, or check the remote desktop services service on the host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.